Welcome to Hawkeye Traders. In this video we introduce the Hawkeye tools for TradeStation radar screen. If you are trading stocks, commodities, indices, or multiple currencies, the Hawkeye tools for TradeStation radar screen is a very important and very powerful package. I'll go over a brief introduction of the tools and what's included, and then I'll show you a brief illustration on the power of the package. As you see on the screen, we have our symbols. We have the Hawkeye heat map. PB indicates previous bar, CB indicates current bar. Next we have the Hawkeye trend and stops, which includes the count, previous bar, current bar, the Hawkeye stop, and the Hawkeye crash barrier. We also have the volume indicator, which shows previous bar and current bar. Also shown are the Hawkeye pivots, the Hawkeye wide bar, and the Hawkeye volume radar. As an addition to this package, we've also included the Hawkeye roadkill, which gives you setup and actual roadkill entries on higher time frame charts. So coupled with radar screen, it becomes an even more powerful package. But I'm going to focus on the initial setup for the basic tools. As a quick illustration of the power of this package, I'll look for potential entries from a list of 100 stocks on the S&P 100. One of the rules in the Hawkeye methodology is to only trade in the direction of the S&P 500 index. So I've listed the ES.D index at the top of my radar screen to serve as a reminder that I am only looking for long entries. One of the nice features about radar screen is that each column can be sorted. So if you click on any of the headings, it will automatically sort that column for you. For example, if I click on the symbol column, it will automatically alphabetize everything on my list. If I'm looking for trade setups, then I know that my Hawkeye trend and stops needs to be green. I also know that I need to have a green heat map, and I also need to have green volume. And it has to be the current bar, or there has to be a change from the previous bar to the current bar to the green color. And one of the best ways to identify that is with the count. The trend and stops count will be lowest, or it will be a value of 1 when the current bar has just recently changed to green from white or red. So if I sort on the count column, then I'll get a list of all of the stocks where the count of the trend has just started, and that gives me my initial entry position. So this satisfies all the conditions for an entry into that trade. So I now see that I have potential long entries in 5 stocks, in 6 stocks actually, and 1 potential short entry. But since I know that my ES.D is long, then I'm only looking for long positions. So these are the stocks I'm going to be looking at for potential trade entries. One other note is that the roadkill has also given a long on 3 of the 5 stocks that I've identified, which gives us an exceptional entry opportunity in that these have already gone through consolidation or pullback and have re-entered an existing trend. To learn other techniques to maximize the power of the Hawkeye tools for TradeStation radar screen, visit us in our live trading room found on our website at www.hawkeyetraders.com. Thank you and have a great day.